Lost Origins Nexus examines Amarna as a laboratory of power, where Pharaoh Akhenaten redefined religion, art, and statecraft through a bold city plan. Experts reveal how the sun disk worship, public inscriptions, and the new everyday layout reflected a society testing centralized control and creative messaging. A hidden craftsman's workshop shows advanced plaster and glass techniques that echoed in later Mediterranean aesthetics and urban planning. Interviews with archaeologists connect these choices to modern branding and social cohesion in contemporary capitals. The episode closes by asking how far cultural experimentation itself drives long-lasting innovation beyond royal courts.